Today, let's talk together about the undercoat, but not the undercoat as you've seen it before. Today, let's talk together about the undercoat in slow motion. So David and I wrote a free ebook called Grip, which is all about how you hold your brushes and tools. And grip is so important because when you trace, for instance, a good grip can make all the difference between a lovely, long, elegant, beautiful line and a wobbly, anxious one. And that's why we wrote Grip, because it's not just your tools and brushes, it's also how you hold them. Now, Grip itself is full of lovely photographs like this and this. And it's also accompanied by a set of free videos where you see us using the tools in normal time. So you have photos on the one hand and then real life, normal paced demonstrations on the other. And of course there is something missing. And what is missing, if you are to really see how we hold and use the tools, is lovely slow motion. And this is what we're going to start today. It's the first of 3 free videos to accompany Grip. Today we're going to look at the undercoat and blending. And first of all, before you see it in slow motion, let's look at the whole operation in normal time, close up with 3 cameras, so you see it from all different angles. So that is the undercoat at normal pace. And seeing it at normal pace, it is very useful because you get a real sense of the speed with which we get through laying down the undercoat, the confidence. And this is all important because you see how quickly you do the undercoat in order to get on with tracing, in order to get on with flooding and strengthening and highlighting and shading, and to make that fantastic window which you want to make. So you really, the undercoat is so important, but you do get through it quickly. And that's what you've just seen. Now just imagine how much more you will see when we slow that film down, or rather show you a special film that we filmed in slow motion, so you see it all slowed down and you see how the hake moves across the palette, and you see the badger blender flicking this way and that gently, just skimming the surface of the glass, and that's what you're going to see in a moment. Before we get there, I would just like to say that this is the first of 3 videos. Now this first video where you see the undercoat in slow motion, it's for everyone. The other 2 videos are for people who have their own free copy of Grip. So it's only going out to the people that we know are really, really interested in seeing how you hold the other tools that we're going to talk about. And the other demonstrations are how you trace. You're going to see that in slow motion. You can see the brush coming down right on top of the glass, and also how you highlight, how you use the bridge for highlighting. And you'll get that up close, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Now those 2 forthcoming videos, they're only for people who have Grip. Grip is free, and at the end of this video, after the slow motion demonstration of undercoating, I'll tell you where you can get your own copy. So you will get those other 2 videos. For now, thank you for watching. I will say goodbye and I will slow things down so you see the hake and the badger blender in lovely slow motion.